Thanks for coming back to my kitchen. My name is Sonia. Welcome. So today, guys, I have a very nutritious dish to show you. I found an alternative to rice. This is it right here. Steel cut oats. Take a look at this texture. It is looking just like your rice, and I'm gonna treat it just like I treat rice when cooking. You can find this in your local grocery store or in the health food store. I bought mine in the health food store, and it's organic. And like I said, I'm gonna show you exactly how to go about cooking this meal. My pot is over here and the water is boiling. I have 6 cups of water and 3 cups of steel cut oats. So the ratio is 3 to 6. Now I have some fresh thyme here, and I'm just going to drop it in my water. I also have a piece of escallion, otherwise called green onion. So I'm just going to wring it a little to release the flavors. Drop it in my water. Now I'm going to go over to my sink and wash my oat. Like I said, guys, I'm treating it just like I treat my rice. I wash my rice. Now I'm going to wash my oats. So my oats is all washed. I washed it like 3 times until the water runs clear. Now I'm gonna put my oat in my water, just like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and give it a stir. Remember, guys, this is not the quick oats. This is the steel cut oats. The texture is a little hard, just like the rice grain. So you got to give it time to cook. So you want to cook until tender. Also going to put some of my olive oil here. Just to give it some moisture. So I'd say about a tablespoon. About a tablespoon of salt. And then stir. So if you like more salt, guys, you can put to your taste. Also gonna put a little bit of butter. This is the Irish butter, guys, pure Irish butter, unsalted, just to bring up the taste a little. You don't have to put this, this is optional. So I'll say about an ounce. And we're gonna allow that to cook until tender. Your heat should be on medium. Take a look at the oat to see how it's doing. And as you can see, guys, the water has reduced, and this is what it looks like at this point. So what we're gonna do at this point, I'm gonna lower my flame to the lowest point and let it steam the rest of the way. So guys, let's take a look at the pot at this point to see if it's all done. So as you can see, all the water has gone, and the oats is right here, and it's looking just like rice. Take a look. So you see that? It also has the look of bulgur wheat. So I'm gonna test it to see if the grains are all tender. Wow, this is good. It tastes just like bulgur wheat. It takes a little longer than, you know, cooking rice, but I mean, it's worth it based on the fact that it's health-based. It's a better option in comparison to rice, guys. Come on now. This is less starchy, has a lot of fiber, and much more benefits. So look at it, guys. Isn't this looking just like your rice? Substitute this for rice, like I said, guys. It's less starchy, full of dietary fiber. You're gonna fill you up quicker, and it's not gonna be digested as fast as the, you know, the white rice and all of that, spiking up your blood sugar. No, this is more healthy for you guys. At some point in our lives, we have to make conscious decisions, and this is for your health. Forget about the white rice. It's no good, especially for those who are diabetic, borderline diabetic, or, you know, you could just make conscious decision to prevent all these things from happening before it's too late. Eat it with your meat, eat it with your fish, eat it with vegetables. The sky is the limit with this guy. And if you found some value in this, guys, please consider subscribing, like it, share it with someone, and thanks for staying with me. I see you in my next one. Bye-bye. And there you have it, guys. Your steel cut oats. Better than rice, in my opinion. It is less starchy, more filling, has more dietary fibers. So give this meal a try and thank me later. If you found some value, please consider subscribing, like it, share it with someone.